How to install a home security system. Installing a home security system can be a DIY project, especially if you opt for a wireless system. Here is a breakdown of the general steps involved. 1. Plan and prepare. Draw a blueprint. Sketch your home layout to identify entry points, doors, windows, and potential sensor locations. Choose sensor locations. Prioritize doors, windows, and high-traffic areas. Consider adding motion sensors in hallways or large rooms. Prep your toolkit. Depending on the system, you might need a screwdriver, level, drill, for some wired systems, and masking tape. 2. Install the main panel. Find a central location. This is usually near your main entry point and has a power outlet nearby. Mount the panel. Most systems use screws or double-sided tape for mounting. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Install sensors and detectors. Door and window sensors. These typically come in two parts. One mounts on the frame, the other on the door window itself. They use magnets to detect if the opening is closed. Peel off adhesive backing, if applicable, and secure them in designated spots. Motion sensors. Place them strategically at corners, covering high traffic areas and keeping them out of direct sunlight to avoid false alarms. These often use screws for mounting. 4. Additional components, optional. Security cameras. Follow the camera's instructions for mounting and power source, wired or Wi-Fi. Ensure they have a clear view of entry points or vulnerable areas. Smart home integration. If your system allows connecting with smart locks or lights, follow the specific app's instructions for pairing them with the main panel. 5. Program and test the system. Refer to the manual. Each system has its own programming process. It typically involves assigning zones to sensors and setting entry-exit delays. Test all components. Trigger door-window sensors. Walk through motion sensor zones, and activate the alarm to ensure everything functions properly. Additional tips. Some systems require connecting the main panel to your Wi-Fi for remote access and smartphone notifications. Download the system's app, if applicable, to disarm the system remotely, view camera footage, if available, and receive alerts. When testing the alarm, make sure to inform neighbors beforehand to avoid unnecessary panic. Remember, these are general steps. Always refer to the specific instructions provided with your chosen security system. If you are unsure about any part of the installation, consider consulting a professional security company.